Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming basics quickly. Update the Netflix app and your device OS so features behave predictably. Once done, restart the phone to flush temporary glitches and clear Netflix cache or app data to remove corrupt settings. Make sure your device manufacturer hasn't disabled portrait playback in system settings. Some phones prefer display rotation rules. You'll need these prerequisites in place before changing playback controls or using workarounds, because outdated software or cached errors often cause portrait mode failures. Next, focus on playback controls and rotation behavior. You should turn off system rotation lock and use Netflix's rotate icon or swipe gestures to force portrait. If that fails, minimize the player and reopen the app to trigger the mobile layout refresh. This often resets UI constraints. Also check accessibility or quick settings for any orientation lock or single app rotation controls. Toggling them makes the OS reevaluate display orientation. These steps address how the app and system communicate about screen orientation. Finally, try advanced fixes. Sign out and reinstall Netflix or switch profiles to rule out corrupted profile settings. If portrait still fails, test playback on a different device or in a browser to determine whether the issue is app or device specific. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset only if nothing else works. Troubleshooting tip: if playback shows black bars or locked landscape, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds then reconnect. That forces network and app reinitialization and often clears stubborn UI locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.